Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by readying the cutter and workpiece. Clamp the sample firmly and plug in the correct voltage supply. This prevents stalls and burns. Once done, choose the diamond bit diameter that matches your core size and thread it tightly to the arbor. Make sure to mount the coolant hose aimed at the bit. You should also don PPE now, eye protection, ear defenders, and a respirator for dust control. These first steps set a safe, accurate foundation. Begin by positioning the cutter over your marked center and use a small pilot hole to prevent wander. This keeps the core straight. Start at low RPM with gentle downward pressure, because aggressive force overheats the bit. Once the bit beds in, increase RPM and maintain a steady feed. Keep coolant flowing continuously. It cools and reduces dust, and every 30 to 60 seconds, lift slightly to clear chips and inspect the cut. This controlled rhythm improves cut quality and tool life. When you reach full depth, stop feeding and let the cutter complete its final rotations. Then power down and wait for spin down before removing the bit to avoid injury. Once clear, pull the core gently and inspect both core and hole for cracks or irregularities. Clean with water and a soft wire brush to reveal true condition. If you experience binding, smoke, or glazing, stop immediately, reduce feed, verify coolant flow, and check the diamond bit for wear or clogging. Then resume only when corrected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.